What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Hey, guess where we're at today? Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. You can see that.
The Corvette Prescott annual car show, and you know what? There was a lot of them. I have never ever seen that many Corvettes around here. That's a beautiful Z1 right there.
I mean, this is just heaven.
We got Chris, my Corvette life. Chris in the house.
Go follow Chris on Instagram.
Oh yeah, he knows how to do it. Top off, brand new carpet. Chris, your car is looking awesome. Yeah, buddy.
You guys, sorry if there is any vibration. I'm just recording with my phone, so
I need to get a camera soon. I've been saying that for a long time. That's a pretty nice one.
so we're gonna do it slow first. Then we're gonna do the cinematic shots.
There you go.
So
That is nuts. Oh, I love this. On the Z51, the 06 ground effect. Hell yeah.
I'm trying to be loud here.
Xeon 1C6. This is a beautiful color. I've seen one for sale just like this color. 17,000 miles only. Oh yeah. Let's go from top.
I mean, I have big respect for the Xeon one.
This one was with us. Went to San Diego. Oh yeah. Again, one right there. We're gonna check that out in a second. There is a lot of cars.
We're just talking. Oh,
Robinson is here. That's my buddy.
son of a gun.
Okay,
I'm just excited right now. So I'll catch you guys in a second, okay? Because we need to start
from right there and get the whole row. It will take a minute. But in the meantime, oh, by the way, it goes down there too. And it's around Courthouse Plaza, Prescott, Arizona.
Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. We'll see you guys in a second. You know, I'm just gonna put music for the first half of the video, and
That's pretty nice.
but the second half is we're not gonna put music. You guys, look who I'm here with.
What's up, guys?
Chris, my Corvette life. You guys, I want you, everybody that watches this, go follow my Corvette life, cause he is like Chris. I don't see anyone that makes videos just like you. Maintenance.
Yeah.
Like I watch his videos and I learn a lot. And I need to do my radiator.
Yeah.
I need to do the radiator.
Bring it over to the house.
Yeah.
We'll take care of it.
Guys, do me a favor, please. Go subscribe to me.
Yeah, I love Rob.
I love how he has Stingray on the hood, you guys. Okay, so we're done from the music part, and we're just gonna keep it raw. People are talking. We got Chris, we got Bob. Chris's Beast. ZR1, C6.
Just so that you don't get
No,
anything
right.
underneath and all over
Fine.
the place. But
Decided silver, right?
I found the easiest way to do it is come in from this side.
Maybe 115 if you pull out your pocketbook.
Dude, yeah, I know. The split window, split 63. Look at the license plate. This is a really nice car. I really love this. Although I'm really not a huge old or classic, but if I will take one, it will be this one.
Yeah.
This is like this Stingray. You love this, Bob. Come on.
Time capsule.
Time capsule, yeah. Got Chris doing his thing.
This is like right on the It's like 4 inches.
Antenna tail.
Okay, we're just gonna roll it right now. We're just gonna roll it without the music now, and just gonna be natural, right? No music. Some people over there going crazy. That's pretty nice. I don't know. Oh, you guys, check out this. Magnetic red metallic. Convertible. That's pretty boss. Okay. Awesome. Torch red, super bright. Awesome. I mean, you know, I try to go, that's why I bought my car so I can drive it, and I try to touch every car show possible in the US that I can go to, period. Like, I don't care, people, you know, some people drive their car, some people don't. I do. You know, miles is just a number, so get out and drive your car, you know? Because it's the memories that you remember. That's why I went to Car Week. Now come here, was on rally on LA. And drive your car.
I know where you're from, bro.
Hey, you know what? I wish I had some water.
You guys gonna hear some
What
other
a
people's
monster.
talk, but
Monster.
it's a race car. That's roll cage. That is nuts. And the bike. You guys, check out this. That's pretty cool. See, that's why you get out there, because you never know what you're gonna see. Corvettes on the street. Courthouse Plaza. And there's that metal part we didn't check out yet, but I'll show you guys in a minute. My jacket in my car because it's pretty hot. And you know, if you're caught in public, there's a lot of faces right now looking at me, but I don't care. For you guys, we record. Man, let me flip the camera real quick. My car is right there. Let's go through this tent, see what's up. It's a nice truck. Nice Z, I think it's brand new. Nice Z06. Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. Some modifications. But you know what? I'm gonna do half and half. Music and no music. So you guys please bear with me. Because still trying to learn how to edit. Okay, there's a Formula 1 car, they said, right there. Let's go check out that. I mean, it's a full house. It's a full car show. It's over 300 cars. It's crazy. Even there's cars parked to the street. Because I don't think the show could fit all of these cars. That's the Formula. That's some tires. Okay. Thank you guys. Liking my post on Instagram. If you guys have not followed me on Instagram, Hussein.Abdul-Jabbar. HUSSEIN.ABD. Okay, I'll put it in the description. It's in the description. Cannot talk. There's a lot of people talking. And we got my Corvette right there. Someone just parked next to it. And I'm gonna top my jacket in the car. That's really mint condition C2, guys. Look at that.
You know, one of my
Red on red. Yeah.
He moved up here 6 months ago.
Come on. How epic is that?
So when we come up, we'll have to holler at you, you know, and stuff.
Nice touch.
Bring his car out here. Really cool building and stuff. But, yeah,
I've never seen a seat. I've seen them clean, but not like this. Like, and red too. Yeah. Guys, with all of that being said, I have about an hour and 20-minute drive home, so that will be pretty cool at these twisties. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, that helps me out, and share the videos. You know, we're all in the community, we'll all help each other, and I will see you guys on the next one when I go to another show. Peace.